welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my November premium Boxycharm unboxing already. Yay, go Boxycharm. I literally just got it today at my door, so I wanted to get into it right away, share what I got in mine, kind of go over it with you all. So if that sounds interesting, please stick around. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup. I do upload 3 times a week, Monday, Tuesday, and Friday, and I would love to have you as part of the family, so please click subscribe. Without any more talk, we're going to go ahead and jump into the box. Super excited. Boxycharm did great this month. I got my premium already, so excited about that. Forgive the hair. It is quite humid here in Georgia and a little warm, and my hair just wants no part of it. So it is just kind of up right now. It's a little crazy frizzy. I tried to put some oil on it. I don't know. It's struggling today. But we're not going to talk about that. We're going to talk about Boxycharm. So first product that I got here is the Ilmaska. This is the Unveiled Artistry palette. And retail value for this is $50. It is cruelty-free. It is vegan. And I still keep my knife in here because I know that there's too much packaging. Let's open this up and get into it. I am excited about this. I have tried a couple of things from Ilmaska that I really enjoy, and forgive me, I may not be saying that name correctly. Look at that palette. Oh, that's beautiful. It feels like a faux leather, a pink faux leather. Wow, let's open this up and get into this. There is a magnetic closure there, and there's the colors. So a very nudie pink palette here. It looks like this whole row is shimmers, and this whole row is mattes. Ooh, look at that. It even smells like fake leather. So I'm gonna swatch this color right here, and let's put it right on my arm. Wow, that is gorgeous. I'm going to swatch this darker berry color. These are all shimmers right here. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh. And then let's swatch this kind of, it's a mauve-y brown color. This is a matte. I want to see how the mattes feel. And they're beautiful too, although it didn't swipe quite as dark. But that is only one swipe. Those are gorgeous, gorgeous. I love the palette. It does feel just like faux pink leather. I really like that. I am excited to try that. And these colors are right up my alley. So very, very cool. I do think $50 is quite a lot for this palette, but we'll test it out and see what it's like because it is pretty cool. Next product that I have here is from this Grown Alchemist, and I got something in my premium box last month, or my base box, I can't remember, that was the matte one, and it did not do well for my skin. This is actually the Detox Night Cream, and so let's see what this says. Detox Night Cream, it is a peptide echinacea reishi extract blend that as well as hyaluronic acids that helps detox and regenerate the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, resulting in radiant and youthful looking skin. $125. Shut your mouth. I understand skincare is expensive. I do get that. I do get that, you know, you want to invest in your skincare, especially if it gives you the results you're looking for. But $125. It's 1.25 fluid ounces. It is going to be in one of these. Look at how small, $125. I do like the packaging that Grown Alchemist used. It's these old-fashioned metal tubes kind of thing. It does come sealed up, so you actually have to use this to poke it in. So let's poke it in and see what this cream is like. We'll put just a little bit right here on my hand. That's probably like $50 worth. It's not. I'm just being a smart aleck. It is a nice thick cream. I don't want to rub it with my fingers that I had in the eyeshadow. Very nice. It is very, very thick, and it feels very emollient. You can smell the echinacea in there. And kind of florally a little, although I don't know why. It does feel really, really nice. I do like it. I think for me, moisturizing is a thing that I really need, so I'm looking forward to trying this. I do like that it is vegan, it is cruelty-free, it is free of all bad products. I love the packaging. $125 though, come on. That's a little expensive for me. Anyways, I do like it, I'll try it, I'm excited to try that product. A little amazed by the price tag, but otherwise excited. So this is, the next thing I see is the Real Her Lip Liner Duo. So this will be definitely, if I could get it open, probably 2 products. The retail value for this is $25. Let's hold this up so I'm not looking down. It says this creamy formulation is infused with jojoba seed oil, shea butter, providing smooth application and natural matte finish. It's supposed to be non-bleeding. We'll see. I can't even get these out of here. There we go. Beautiful packaging, nice black packaging with gold lettering on there. It's backwards, so this is Real Her, and it says, I am confident, and this is kind of a nudie brown color, and this looks more like a mauve color, and this says, be yourself, be Real Her. So it is cool that they have those little sayings on there. I'm confident. I think that's cool. I like that when a product does that. Let's open this up. So this is the nudie brown color that I'm going to swatch. It is very creamy. I do like that. And that's more of like a mauve brown than it is a nudie brown. Not as creamy as I expected, but it definitely feels matte. Like I can already feel that it's matte and feels a little drying on my hand there. And so let's do this one that's more of a berry color. We'll do it right next to, look at that. That's gorgeous for the fall. I do like that. This actually feels a little creamier than the other color. I'm not quite sure why, but I do like that. I'm excited to try these. I think they'll be nice. I'm always down for a good lip liner, especially one that doesn't bleed, and that's what they say. These are supposed to be non-bleeding, so Real Her, nice. Next product that I see in here is Cosmetics Skincare Brush Set. So for someone who doesn't like brush on masks, this is what I've actually gotten. I am going to open it just so I can show you guys. So there is one, I'm not going to touch it because I'll actually put it in a giveaway. This is like a sponge that you would use, and so it gives you directions on how to use it. This is supposed to help apply, it's a cleansing brush, help apply the product when you're cleansing stuff off. And then the second product here is one of these little plastic spatulas. It is textured on one side and not on the other. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that side is textured and bumpy, that side is flat. And this would be to apply those masks that are in a jar, those kind of things. I'm not going to put my hands all over them because I'm going to put this in a giveaway. When I hit 50, we'll do another giveaway. And I didn't say the retail value for this is $25. So there you go. Next product that I see here is the Dose of Colors Block Party Single Shadow. And the retail value for this is $20. It is in Caffeine Queen. So let's open this up and see what it is. Beautiful packaging. It's that duochrome look on the front with Dose of Colors on there. And then inside, oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. It's like this beautiful brown, sparkly gorgeousness. I'm trying to read if it says it's eye safe. It does say it's vegan, cruelty-free, keep out of reach of children, for external use only, paraben-free, gluten-free. It says, so it's eye safe. Oh, that's awesome. So let's swatch this and see what it looks like. We're going to swatch it under everything. Oh, that is beautiful. It is very, very smooth. And although it is a metallic finish, there's not a lot of glitter in it. I mean, it feels wonderful on the skin. That is gorgeous. I like that a lot, especially for the fall coming up. That is a good color. Very, very nice. And I think I said retail value on that was $20. And then I have one last product in here. This is the Ilia Beauty Color Block High Impact Lipstick. It is a high pigment, long wearing, truly hydrating lipstick that provides full coverage in just one swipe. Retail value is $28. So let's see what this looks like. It is in the color Rosette. That packaging is beautiful. Of course, Ilia, very simple but still sleek and gorgeous. It is kind of a matte finish on the tube, and look at that color. That is stunning. Kind of smells plasticky. Okay, so I'm going to swatch it right here since I have stuff everywhere else on my hand. And look at that color. That is just beautiful. A beautiful pinky color, which I really like, of course, right down my alley. And if it were long wearing and hydrating, I am down for that. So I have very dry lips anyways, and it is so difficult for me to find a product on my lips that lasts long and doesn't dry them out. So I am super excited to try that. I did get box variation number 5 for those of you who are interested. And let's take just a minute and figure out how much the box is worth. Okay, so box is worth $273, but remember, 125 of that is one product. So if we do that minus 125, it's still worth $148 without that super exorbitantly priced moisturizer, which I think is a great deal. This is the $35 a month. It comes 5 to 6 products. They're all full size. They are higher end products. I am really excited about this month. I think it is really good. The only thing that I'm kind of about is that brush set, not because it's bad, just because it's something that I personally wouldn't use, but I think someone out there will love it and get great use out of it. All of the other products I am thrilled with. I think it was way more makeup, and makeup that I am excited to use. I can't wait to use that Il Maschia. I know I'm saying that wrong, sorry, but I can't wait to use that eyeshadow palette, that lipstick. I'm super, super excited. So I love that, and I don't even think I talked about the theme at the beginning, Harvest. Harvest is the theme. Great box, love it. What did you guys get in your premium box this month? Drop me a line and let me know. Is anybody excited about something they really want to use? What do you guys want to see out of this box? Anything that you're looking forward to? Please drop me a line. Thank you so much for joining me today. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!